Hey everyone, are you on the hunt for a budget-friendly smartphone that packs a punch with an amazing camera, a massive battery, and top-notch performance? Well, your search ends here. Today, we're diving into a smartphone that's about to shake up the market, the Nokia XR30 5G. If you're excited to get your hands on this powerhouse, make sure you watch this video until the very end, because we're going to break down its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Nokia XR30 5G features. Display. Let's start with the visuals. This phone sports a large 6.89-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that will make your videos and games look absolutely stunning. The 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly smooth, and the Corning Gorilla Glass protection ensures it can handle a few drops without a scratch. Camera setup. Now for the main attraction, the camera, which is the heart of this phone. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup. The star of the show is the 144-megapixel main camera, which lets you capture breathtaking, DSLR quality photos. It's supported by a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a massive 50-megapixel front camera waiting for you. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone doesn't hold back. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 5G processor. Yes, the same flagship processor you find in today's expensive phones. Coupled with a huge 16 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. And for the operating system, it runs on Android 16. Battery backup. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is its battery. It packs a massive 7700 mAh powerhouse. That means you can charge it once and forget about it for the rest of the day. Plus, it supports 90 watts fast charging and comes with a Type-C port. Price and launch date. You must be wondering what this phone costs with all these features. Well, it's estimated to be priced at around $430 in the USA. With so many killer features at that price point, this could be an absolute steal.